Greetings fellow investors, my name is Maxim, and today I take a rather personal approach, sharing some of the costly mistakes I made early in my investing journey. I believe it will be more like a podcast video, so please grab a coffee, tea, or maybe something stronger, and we begin. We all make mistakes, but the key is learning from them and emerging stronger. By openly discussing my missteps, I hope to equip you with the valuable insights and help you avoid similar pitfalls in your own investment endeavors. And one of my initial blunders was selling investments prematurely due to emotional instability. And here comes to mind my example with crypto. Actually, it was my first experience with that. I just started to touch it. And the BNB token, it was my very first trade. It was 2021. BNB was trading at around $52. Well, I bought it, sold it later at 75, and I was sure that it was my really amazing decision. I didn't know the market, I didn't know the opportunities there, I didn't know how usually growth is happening. And you can imagine my face that 3 months later, the token I sold at $75, it was trading at $700. You can imagine my mind went crazy that moment. So, fearing the market crashes, I'd often pull out just as things started looking shaky. Remember, the market is like a roller coaster, thrilling but full of dips and curves. Succumbing to fear at every downward turn can lead you to really missed opportunities for long-term growth. Instead of panicking during market fluctuations, I should develop a well-defined strategy based on long-term goals and risk tolerance. This would have allowed me to stay focused on the bigger picture and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term emotions. Well, on the other end of the spectrum, I also fell victim to excessive caution. Taking too little risk meant missing out on potential gains. While prudence is essential, a balanced approach is the key. Remember, playing it too safe can be just as detrimental as taking unnecessary risks. And here comes to my mind the example with COVID crash. Really, I missed the, first part of this growth, really skyrocketing growth, because I was too scared. I just was staying in cash. At that moment my portfolio was like 90% in cash and just 10% in different assets. And of course, by excessively diversifying into low-risk assets, I inadvertently limited my potential for growth. What I needed again was a strategy, just a set of rules that could balance my risk and reward ratio. It would allow me to explore opportunities for growth while mitigating potential downsides through diversification and sound risk management techniques. Finally, I battled the infamous FOMO. Here comes the reference for my crypto experience, and witnessing others score big wins while I remain stagnant fueled a sense of frustration and envy. The emotional baggage clouded my judgment and led to impulsive decisions, such as chasing hot stocks or investing in areas I didn't fully understand. Again, getting back to the BNB example. Right after I saw this growth, I started to buy different random tokens, and of course it didn't lead me to any profit there. So remember, comparing your investment journey to someone else's is a recipe for disappointment. It was like that in the past, it is right now, and it will be totally the same in the future. Everyone has their own investment goals, risk tolerance and starting points. Focusing on your individual strategy, staying the course and celebrating your own milestones in your own investment journey, doesn't matter big or small it is, that's the crucial for maintaining a healthy, productive investment mentality. And the last mistake from my past I would like to share today is my day trading experience. Well, I had been trying day trading for a couple of years, and to be honest with you, the net P&L is negative overall. All my best results were coming from the long-term positions. Day trading became another pitfall I encountered. I was lured by tempting prospect of quick profits. However, the reality was more akin to gambling than investing. The constant buying and selling, fueled by short-term emotions, some maybe small profits, it ultimately led me to losses, not any financial windfall I had envisioned. And day trading, of course, requires specialized skills, high tolerance for risk, and a deep understanding of market dynamics, qualities I unfortunately didn't possess at the time. And looking back, I realized that I lacked the necessary knowledge and experience to navigate the fast-paced and unpredictable world of day trading. To sum up today's video, recognizing and accepting my mistakes was a turning point in my investment journey. Dwelling on the past doesn't change it, but learning from it empowers us to make informed decisions in the future. So please, take ownership of your actions, take responsibility, learn from your experience, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from professionals. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and the true measure of success lies in your ability to learn and grow from them. By sharing my story, I hope to inspire you to be a more mindful and self-aware investor, making more informed decisions based on sound strategies and avoiding the pitfalls I encountered along the way. So please, if you did enjoy the video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.